Today we're taking a look at the ever popular Wish Pearl Kit. Now you're going to be able to make your own pearl pendant necklace. This kit has everything that you're going to need in it. It does feature the genuine sterling silver pearl cage with the chain, which is really nice. The chain has a little bit of an extender. I'll show you that on it. It also comes with the mollusk. But this is a great kit for kids with supervision and also adults, senior citizens. This is just a really nice sentiment and keepsake. So what you're going to do is you're going to open the box and you're going to take everything out so you can clearly see what's in this kit. I do recommend having a little bit of water in a cup, also paper towel, and then also maybe some gloves. Because this is a mollusk, it is going to be a little bit fishy. It is contained in this little container. Now on the top, it tells you the potential colors that you could receive. It's just random, and so that's what partly makes it really fun. As you can see, the chain has a really nice lobster claw clasp on it, an extender. It is sterling silver as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this. This is the little pamphlet that tells you the colors and their meanings. Now, what you're going to do is at this point, get your gloves ready. It is sealed in this jar. So you're going to take it out of the jar and kind of open the package. Let's take it out, and it's really nice to have maybe some tweezers or maybe a small butter knife, something like that. You just want to make sure that you can lightly kind of pry apart that shell. But usually they make a cut in it, so it's not difficult at all. As you can see, we have our mollusk. Beautiful. We don't know what color until we open it, so that's really exciting. All you're going to do is find the split in the shell, and that's why I like to use kind of the tweezers. And out popped our pearl, and it looks like we kind of have the cream color there. You can go ahead and throw away, but this is a really nice kind of like teaching moment, or if you've never seen the inside of a mollusk and how and where a pearl is formed, this is just a really great little experience. Now you can go ahead and rinse off your pearl, wipe it, dry it with a paper towel. Then we're going to open this little pearl cage. And it kind of opens like a trap door a little bit. You're going to open this, you're going to put your pearl in. You're going to close the cage. Now we're going to string the chain through the top of the bail. We've got it on our chain, and now we are ready to wear it. So this makes a great gift, a little exciting experience, but also just a really nice sentiment. So it's going to be Pearl Month. June is the birthstone. And so this is going to be a really great gift for somebody else or for yourself.